guys, what's up? Brendan here, aka Mr. Weaverface. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in my key fob for my 2017 Jeep Cherokee. It's real easy. All you do is open up the manual key. There's a little opening there. Get that separated. And there's a little groove under there. You can pull that up. There's a little rubbery piece. Take that off. There's the battery. You just slide that out. Put the new one in. Plus side up. That back on there. And that on there. And then the final piece. Just make sure it's looking good all the way around. That's pretty much it.